If you've been dealing with sciatica for weeks or even months and it just won't go away, even after stretching, massage, pain meds, or even injections, this video is for you. The truth is, most people are only treating the symptoms of sciatica, not the actual cause. And unless you address what's really going on inside your spine, the pain is likely to keep coming back. I'm Dr. Chris Cameron, and in this video, I am going to explain to you what sciatica really is, why it often lingers despite treatment, and the 3 key steps we use to help our patients get lasting relief without surgery or long-term medication. Let's jump in. So first, what exactly is sciatica? Sciatica is not a diagnosis, it's a symptom. It refers to pain, numbness, tingling, or weakness that radiates down the leg, usually from the lower back through the buttocks and into the thighs, calf, or foot. The most common cause, pressure on the sciatic nerve, usually from a bulging or herniated disc in the lower spine. Sometimes it's from spinal stenosis or inflammation around the nerve root, but in all cases, it's about nerve irritation. This is important because sciatica is not a muscle issue. You can't stretch it away. The nerve is being compressed, and no amount of massage, heat packs will fix the pressure. Here's what I see in my clinic all the time. People that feel like they've tried everything, but they've only been given symptom-based care. They're told to rest, take anti-inflammatories or muscle relaxants. Maybe they've even had a cortisone shot. And yes, sometimes those things help temporarily, but if they don't fix the pressure on the nerve, the problem will keep coming back. Even well-meaning rehab plans often fall short because they don't start with decompression. You can't strengthen your core or fix your posture effectively if your nerve is still inflamed and irritated. That's why the right sequence matters. At our clinic, we use a step-by-step system called the BackStrong Framework. It helped hundreds of people who were told they just had to live with it, get their life back. Here are the 3 key steps we focus on. Step 1 is spinal decompression. It creates space, improves circulation, and gives the nerve room to breathe and begin healing. In fact, a study published in Pain Practice reported that there was a 90% success rate in pain reduction for patients with chronic disc conditions following decompression therapy. That's because we're not just managing pain, we're correcting the root cause. Many patients feel relief within a few sessions, not because it's a quick fix, but because we're finally creating the right conditions for healing. Step 2, deep tissue laser therapy. Next, we use class 4 deep tissue laser therapy to calm inflammation and stimulate healing at a cellular level. Clinical research published in Lasers in Medical Science and the Journal of Laser Therapy have shown that class 4 laser can reduce inflammation, accelerate tissue repair, and significantly relieve nerve-related pain, especially in cases involving discs and chronic inflammation. It's painless, non-invasive, and one of the most effective ways we found to reduce nerve sensitivity and help your body recover faster. Once the pressure is off and the inflammation is reduced, we give you a customized rehab exercises. The goal is to rebuild spinal stability and reactivate the deep core stabilizer muscles and protect the back. We don't rely on random stretches. We use specific neuromuscular re-education to retrain the body so the pain doesn't keep coming back. This relief, repair, rebuild sequence is the key to long-term results. It's what makes the BackStrong Framework different and why we've seen it work time and time again, even when everything else has failed. Here's one more thing I want you to know. Nerves heal best when we act early. If you've been hoping it will just go away on its own, but it hasn't, don't wait too long. The longer the nerve is compressed, the more sensitive and inflamed it becomes, and the longer it takes to recover. Getting the right care now can make a massive difference in your outcome later. So if your sciatica hasn't gone away, despite everything you've tried, you're not alone. There's a path forward, and it starts by treating the root cause, not just covering up the pain. If you'd like to find out if the BackStrong Framework is right for you, we'd love to help. Give us a call, 519-227-1363, and ask about scheduling your evaluation today.